Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wave for free accounting easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Wave for free accounting, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL www.waveapps.com and press enter. On the Wave homepage, look for the sign up button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password and confirm it. Click on Get Started or Sign Up to proceed. Next, check your email for a verification message from Wave. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. You will be redirected back to the Wave website. Now, fill in your business details, such as the business name and type. Select your country and enter any additional required information. Once done, click Continue. Wave will guide you through setting up your account. Follow the instructions displayed on the screen. You may be asked to connect your bank accounts for easier tracking. If desired, you can skip this step for now. After setting up, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the features available, such as invoicing and expense tracking. Now you are ready to start managing your accounting for free with Wave. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.